Welcome back. Python provides another composite data type called a dictionary, which is similar to a list in that it is a collection of objects. Here is what you'll learn in this video. I will cover the basic characteristics of Python dictionaries and learn how to access and manage dictionary data. Once you have finished this video, you should have a good sense of when a dictionary is the appropriate data type to use and how to use those data types. Dictionaries does not allow duplicates. As of version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered, and in Python 3.6 and earlier versions, dictionaries are unordered. This is really important to know. And dictionaries and lists have some similar characteristics. Both are mutable. What does it mean? It means it changes that we can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary or the list has been created. And both are dynamic in nature. And the third one is both can be nested, right? Like in the list, we can put another list, and in a dictionary, we can also put another dictionary. Like we can also put the list in a dictionary and dictionary in a list. Likewise, well, let me now create an example for a dictionary. Let me take a variable called this dict, which is equal to, I'll open the curly brackets here. So we have two sets here, like one is a key. Let me just put a brand, which is within the quotes. Actually, we call it as a string. Now we can just say it as Ford. And let me take another one, which is a model, which is a string again. And I just wanted to use Mustang, and then again year, let me put 1964. Now, what actually here it is? We have said that brand is a key and Ford is a value here. A model is a key and Mustang is a value. Likewise, year is a key and 1964 is a value. If I print this dict, what do you think I will get? I get all the key value pairs, right? Now, if I wanted to print the Ford, what is there in the brand key, then how do I can do that? How I can access that actually? Print, and then I can put this dict, the variable, and then I can simply use open a square brackets. I can just simply give the name of the key, which is called brand. So then I will get Ford. That's how we access dictionaries. So, uh, so we can go for another example. Like it can be also a data type. The values in dictionary items can be of any kind of a data type. For example, it can be a string, it can be a boolean, it can be a list. So let me change this example here again. Let me put um, some features here, like let me say electric, and say that which is false, like it's a boolean, right? False is a boolean. Now also let me include something here again, uh, which can be as colors, and I just wanted to use the list here. I just wanted to include red, white, and then blue. All right. Now, when I print this dict, I'll get all the items which are presented in the dictionary, right? All the keys and values. Now, out of all these collections, the data types, like you can see that we have executed almost all key value pairs, right? Suppose if I wanted to execute um, execute white here, so I can just use print function and then a variable this dict. I just wanted to check zero. um, I just wanted to see that where this key is there. I can simply put colors here. Let me just put that colors, and they can and then I can use the semicolon, and I wanted to access something called red, right? I can just simply give an index value for the list. Suppose if I wanted to access a white here, I can just use index 1. So now I got white here. Well, so out of these four collection data types in Python programming language, like list is a collection which is ordered and changeable and allows all duplicate members. And dictionary is also a collection which is ordered and changeable, but there are no duplicate members inside the dictionary. When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of the type. Choosing the right type for a particular dataset could mean retention of meaning, and it could mean an increase in efficiency or security. Well, that's all for now. We'll see you in the next video.